Good morning, students. Today we are going to read. I left one content in the evening time. I will discuss with you, and I am taking one topic from your chapter. What makes election in India democratic? And in first paragraph, they have mentioned here कि what type of practices, unfair practices are doing in election. You mark one question here, okay? कि what type of unfair practices are doing in are adopted during in election. Okay, always newspaper and television reports often ki such type of allegation they implemented on one party and another party. And first one is inclusion of false names and inclusion of genuine names in the voter. Okay, false name they include in the voter list. Okay, next, misuse of government facility also and officials by the ruling party. कि ruling party they have the power, but power on that time snatched by the election commission, but still they are going to adopt the misuse the government. कि they use the government vehicle, they use the government helicopter which provided by earlier CM and other minister used on that, and sometimes they also used that. And always media attract us people to see कि what they are doing. Okay, excessive use of money by rich party mean rich party candidate always use the excessive money in their own constituency to win the election. And candidate and big party and intimidation of the voters and rigging of the polling day they are impress the voters and they are said to the voters to give the particular party to vote. Okay, only to give the particular party, and they threatening them also. And these all are the unfair practices done by the your candidate, those who are stand in the election. Okay, and many of the reports are correct. We feel unhappy when we read, see and such report, but fortunately they are not on such a scale as to defeat. Nobody want to defeat the election. They used all these unfair practices for the purpose of win the election. कि this becomes clear if we ask a basic question कि can party win an election and come to power? Not, because it has popular support through the election malpractices. Sometimes they do by hook and crook. They won the election and mean on that time if they are not doing well, then how they are going to win the election? These practices if they adopt then. Okay, and next your independent election commission. कि independent election commission mean कि if election commission is appointed by your president or governor, on that time they do the work independently. No government can control on election commission. Okay, कि all these questions is quite positive for our country. Our country election are conducted by an independent EC. We also say that EC said to election commission. EC short form is EC. Okay, election commission. It enjoy what type of power? And now there is a question: what are the power and function of election commission? Mark the question here. What are the power and function of election commission? The election commission is appointed by the President of India, but once he or she appointed, never they answerable to the President. Ruling party and government does not like what the commission does. Okay, they never say to, it is very impossible for the ruling party also to remove the election commission. Okay, now there is a power कि election commission takes decision on any aspect of conduct. कि when did we going to conduct the election, how election are controlled and announced, all things done by only your election commission. And to declaration of results also. Okay, it implement the code of conduct also. your election commissioner implemented code of conduct and punishes any candidate or party if they violate or misuse the power. During the election period, election commission can order the government to follow कि when election date announced by the election commission, on that time election commissioner always election commission can order the government to follow the guideline to prevent the use and misuse of government power. Mean on that time your government is only a name given to the government, but all teachers and your government employees, those who are going to appoint in the election duty, all are working under the guidance of under the instruction given by your election commission, not government. They are not working under the government, all are working under the election commission. Okay, when on the election duty, government, earlier I said to you, okay, 15 years in last paragraph what they have said, election commission has begun to exercise all its power and even expand them mean कि they exercise its all power. If they want to expand their power, they can. It is very common to know the election commission to reprimand the government and administration for their lapses. When election officials come to opinion that polling was not fair in some booth, sometimes they have listened that this polling booth is doing unfair practices. On that time it's under the election commission that they can. Party often do not like what election commission do कि उस बूथ को जो है वो कैंसिल कर देंगे कि देयर विल बी अगेन पोलिंग बूथ, देयर विल बी अगेन इलेक्शन, कि दिस बूथ इज गोइंग टू बी postponed by they are doing the unfair practices and they cancelled that booth and wait for the other date ki when the election will be in this booth. Okay, up to here you revise this thoroughly. In the evening time we will meet and your test will be there today, I think so. Okay, thank you beta.